afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whatever time you're watching this. Whew. Today, I don't feel good, y'all. So, if you watched yesterday's video, your girl went out in nature, okay? She was out there in the streets of the nature, honey. And for those that don't know, I live in Florida. It's hot, okay? Very hot. And that heat hit back yesterday. I had a terrible night. Probably had a little bit of heat strokeishness going on. Had chills and all kinds of stuff going on. By the way, my immune system is not the greatest, so probably shouldn't have been out there with no mask on, but we was in the woods, and there was all of maybe like 10 people that we ran into on the path, literally, because we're in the woods. Got me some tea. We're having some waffles and eggs and sausage this morning, child. Something simple. I kind of burnt my waffles. Bear with me. Anyways, how y'all doing today? Ignore my ginormous syrup. You know, you go to Sam's and you just pick up stuff. Anyway, I'm making a mess. Anyways, how y'all doing today? I will be fine once I eat, take some medicine, and go lay down somewhere. Because, you know, she wanted to be out in the streets with the nature and stuff. She want to be out here and try to act grown like she don't have issues. And by the way, with my medication, I ain't supposed to be in the sun. So it's kind of my fault. If I start sweating, it's probably because I have a slight fever. Yeah. So, long story short, if you ain't supposed to be in the sun for long periodicals of time, stay behind in the house or get you an umbrella or whatever have you. Yeah, that was stupid. I'm sorry if you have on your ear thingies and this plate scraping. I don't usually use metal. I told you I'm having a morning. Anyway. Let me eat a little bit so we can have a little chit and chat. Okay? Y'all want some? I ain't eating none yet. Okay. So listen. You know I don't feel good. I got my glasses on. I don't usually wear them in the videos, but I don't really care right now. I just came on here to chit and chat with y'all real quick. Now, itch and chat, there's so much going on. I'm calling these taco cheese eggs because all I had left was some Taco Bell taco cheese. And I wanted cheese eggs, so there you go. And my last waffle burnt. You think I'm not gonna eat it when I am? Got me some Gatorade over here with ice in it because I like mine cold. Trying to get my electric lights back. Actually, the electric lights. And you know what? Today, or at least this morning, it's like overcast and the weather is so nice outside. Like legit, it might be 75. And it's overcast. It's actually gonna rain in a few. Would have been the perfect temperature to be out in nature. But no, I want to be outside when it's dang near 100 degrees. Yeah, whatever. Listen, I had an adventure. My baby got to see a manatee for the first time. It's worth it. Cheers, y'all want some tea? Mm. Mm-hmm. It's a nice hot tea. Trying to feel better, y'all. Because, I don't know what I was thinking about. Anyway. I was supposed to go to the doctor this morning. I rescheduled that because I was like, that requires me putting on clothes. Even though this YouTube requires me to put on clothes. The great thing about YouTube, when I get off of here, I can take off my clothes. Child, please. Anyway, enough about me. I may be going to school, child, to learn how to fly a plane. Fly a plane. That didn't sound right. I know. I'm finna go learn how to fly a plane, because you know what? They got these jobs out here for pilots, and it's paying $247 an hour. That works for me. Hopefully they got classes to teach you not to be afraid of heights. Do they include that in pilot school? Y'all let me know in the comments, because I'm not a fan of heights, but I am a fan of $247 an hour. That sounds about right. And they say there ain't enough black pilots. I mean, I'm black. Yeah, I'm black. So, why can't I be a pilot? Stop laughing. I could be a pilot. You don't know. You don't know my life. It's $247 an hour. My son just turned 17. If we start sending him to pilot school now, by the time he graduates high school, he can fly the plane, and it'll be more. I'll be thanking y'all. I'll be thanking, because I'm scared of heights. He may not be. I might have to send him to pilot school. Yeah, because he's younger than me. He can go on up there in the wild blue yonder. And I'll just sit home and manage his money. Don't worry about it. I'm delirious, y'all. Don't worry about it. But I got hope. What did you say? I got hope. I'm gonna feel better. Ooh, hot tea. I'm gonna feel better. She just needs some hydration and a little more rest. I'll be good to go. Cause baby, I'm sure I got suntan lines. Look at the difference in the car. If y'all can see my feet, I had on flip-flops, y'all. My feet is two different colors right now. It's hilarious. And if y'all think black people don't tan, we do. Do you see it? We tan. Anyway, so y'all, did y'all see what's his name? Richard Branson go up in space with his own spaceship. All right, this is a serious question. Don't laugh at me, okay? Because I don't watch the news enough. But we could just build our own spaceship and just go in space. There's like no regulations or whatnot on who can go up in space. Because I'm curious. Not that I was finna go up there. And apparently you can buy a ticket and go on up there on your little spaceship. And he came home. He's safe, apparently. He was up there floating in the sky and stuff. But, ma'am, sir, are y'all finna pay to go up in space on the homemade spaceship thing? I'm just curious. Bro, you going? Girl, I ain't going. Again, I'm scared of heights. And then you in a homemade ship. He made by himself. So they gotta get that approved by NASA. Like, is there a government approval for that? Like, do you just get in the 3 plane? Because did you see it? It looked like it was 3 planes that flew him up just high enough so then that the rocket ship in the middle part could fly up and get. I was like, all right. Go ahead, Richard. You got money. You can do your thing. Do your thing, bro. She not doing it. I'd rather be a pilot. Maybe that's my control issue. Nah. Anyway, I ain't want none. I just came on here to eat a little breakfast with y'all. I'm about to finish my tea, finish this Gatorade, and take my butt back to bed, okay? I hope y'all have a lovely Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Pray for your girl. Child. Next time I go out there, I'm going to have an umbrella or something to protect myself from the sun. Because, ooh, my melanin is popping, though. I ain't going to lie. She needed... Oh. Yeah. Child. Don't mind my melanin. Okay. Excuse me. Don't mind me. I'm delirious. I told y'all I'm delirious. I'm tired. I had a rough night, okay? Anyways. Thank you for joining me for my sick breakfast, okay? She gonna not eat these burnt waffles off camera because that's not gonna happen. Because they're a little more crispy than I like. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this foolishness child because she is a little bit crazy, a little bit delirious. She funny. She trying to vlog and stuff now, y'all. She trying to be outside because she done had her COVID shots. And she thinks she grown. She gonna be out here in the streets, okay? Have a wonderful Wednesday. I'll see y'all next time, child. I'll be alright, I promise. I promise. I'm gonna behave. Stop yelling at me. I'm gonna behave. I promise. I ain't going out there no more today because I'm tired. Anyway, love you. Bye.